and trains. If only there was a train full of cookies. And that night, just as her eyes fluttered closed, a golden ticket floated through her window, whispering ring voice, all aboard the dream train of cookies.
A singer hop aboard the cookie train through the chocolate chip terrain. Wagons filled with snuggly dough, rolling where the dream winds blow.
Millie stepped into a jelly bean-colored train car.
The seats were marshmallows, the windows smelled like cinnamon.
She was greeted by a conductor who was a cat in a cookie hat.
Your bedtime seat is ready. Would you like a warm snickerdoodle blanket?
Crunchy wheels and peppermint tracks drift past stars and cookie stacks. Ovens glowing, cocoa steam. This is every bunny's dream.
Millie munched a moon-shaped sugar cookie she yawned, then curled up on her marshmallow seat as the train rocked gently through the skies.
Snuggle deep, the train goes slow, past rivers made of cookie dough. Close your eyes, hold on tight. We'll be home by morning light.
The cookie train chugged through clouds, past sleepy owls sipping milk, and down a rainbow. Sprinkled tunnel.
Millie's head nodded, her cookie crumbs settled like fairy dust. Sleep now, bunny dreams are sweet, with cookie pillows at your feet. Let the dream train roll and glide while you snooze in peace inside. And just like that, the dream train of cookies rolled gently on, carrying one happy bunny into the softest sleep. And just like that,
Just like that,
the dream train of cookies
roll gently on,
carrying one happy bunny into the softest sleep. Quite shy? That sound cozy?